Silent yourself.
Welcome to yet another episode of Roads and Travel by Ink That Matters. And this is your host, Shireen Ishan. And today's guest with us is Archita. She is the co founder of Srinari. And what is Srinari and what is all about? We will hear it from Archita. And before that, welcome, a very warm welcome, Archita, to the show.
Thank you so much, Shireen. Thank you for this. Thank you for connecting with me. I love connecting with, powerful women like you. And, it's so
Pleasure,
great
pleasure.
that, I love the name, Ink That Matters. And, I
Thank
love
you.
the work that you're doing. So thank you so much for
Thank you
this.
so much. Uh, that's my pleasure. Actually, I wanted to introduce you, but you gave me a sweet surprise. So, I let's talk about Srinari. I'm actually very inquisitive about, to know more about Srinari. Probably a lot of women entrepreneurs would like to know. There are a lot of women entrepreneurs actually in my list. So probably they would be, benefited by, what Srinari is all about and what they
Right.
could do, benefit out of it and what can happen to them out of it. So that's the only reason that Archita is here today to tell you all as to what Srinari is all about and what it will bring to you. So, what is Srinari, Archita? If you could tell our audience what it is all about.
Right. So Srinari is an e-commerce platform, but it's exclusively for women entrepreneurs to sell their products and services. And why we did this is because, during the coronavirus pandemic, there are a lot of women that I was connected with, and they were finding it difficult to, sell on a digital platform, reach a larger audience, and so many issues. And, so that's when we came up with Srinari. So we're here, women can register with us. We open a store for them. They can sell their products, they can advertise their services, and gain a lot of benefits from it. And at the end of the day, what we want them to become is financially independent, and we want to create this powerful community of women. And you are already a part of it now.
Right, right, right. Of course, I am. I am. So this pandemic actually has, given you that spark to empower women. So that's actually a very positive way of handling the pandemic, I think. So Srinari is an e-commerce platform, you said. So
Right,
there are
right.
actually a lot of e-commerce platforms that are actually available, for sellers to go ahead and register their brands and sell online. So how different is Srinari from the other brands like Amazon or Flipkart or any other e-com platform? How different is Srinari? And why
So,
will an entrepreneur approach Srinari?
okay, so I wouldn't want to compare with any other platform, but I would tell you the benefits of being a part of the Srinari family. Now, like I told you, see, from a very long time, I have been working, on a personal basis with a lot of NGOs across India, with a lot of self-help groups, women-based self-help groups, working with for women always. And when this pandemic hit, I had a lot of people, a lot of these women come to me and say, now what do we do? We don't know, the digital platform, or, we don't know anything about an e-commerce platform. So when we started this, the main aim was to make them all digitally literate, right? And help them take that next big step. See, you can be selling on your social media pages, you can be selling on various groups or, WhatsApp groups or everything. But when you think about it, the percentage of, customers to the percentage of sellers that you have in most of these groups, right, is completely different. So most of them are just sellers, right? But, if they buy
Right.
from you, great. So at that point we came up with this platform where we have, first thing is a personal connect with all the women who sell with us. We know all their
That's
brands
nice.
by name, we know the women by name, they know my number. My husband is the CEO of the company, he talks to most of the women. So there is a personal connect, we guide them on how to market themselves as a brand. market their product as a brand, how to price their products. And over here, we do not charge any commissions. So we do not charge any commissions on the products that you sell at all. And to
That's
add on
great.
to that, we give discounts from our side. So if there is a say, and every month these discounts happen, these sales happen. So for example, if there's a sale where an 800 rupees product, a customer buys it for say 300 rupees because they have a 500 rupees discount, that money is not taken from the seller. So we have a registration fee where the sellers can register with us and join, and that's the only fee that they pay for the entire year. But and we have seen this because so many sellers have made triple the time, or 4 or 5 times the money that they have paid, because every month we have sales that will help improve their business. So I think that is something that makes us stand apart. And we are just not I just don't have a team of telecallers who will give the wrong information or say, okay, hold on,
Right.
and keep you on hold for 1 hour. But it's personal connect. The turnaround times are brilliant in terms of if there's any problem, the payments are given to them immediately within 7 to 10 working days after your sale, within 7 to 10 working days. On other platforms, maybe there are other platforms who have, but as of what our research, we know that they give within a span of 15 to 40 days. But we realize that this money, that they get from the sale of their product is very, very important for rotation, for future business. So, so that was again one of the things that we wanted to do, is as soon as possible, give their money back to them.
Right. Right. So personal connect has been the USP of Srinari, if I'm not wrong. So because you
Yes.
connect with each and every seller of yours. Gauri Joshi says hi, and she says she's
Yes.
unable to see the live video. It is not visible or audible. Gauri, I would request you to reconnect because it is very much visible and it is actually streaming live right now. So if you could please check your network and connections, because
So
she says
Gauri is
it's
one of
not
our
visible or
associates
audible
from
for her.
Goa. Gauri is one of our associates from
Okay.
Goa, and she is very soon going to be a part of the Srinari family. So I'm glad she's here. I hope she can hear us at some point.
Yeah, right. No, even otherwise, this episode will stream in the YouTube channel of Ink That Matters, so anybody could go there and watch, and
Yes.
also take to know what Srinari is all about. And I was wondering, the Srin, yeah, she says she's connected. I'm glad. Okay. So, why the name Srinari? How did you come up with that name?
So, in
I was
fact,
it is a very quirky kind of a name, actually.
great, thank you. In fact, I've had people tell me that the name is great, but to be very honest, we don't have any specific reason for this, but it kind of came together, because now this is the reason that I think is that, Shri is always associated with men, but Shri has
Yeah.
another meaning to it, which means prosperity, which means growth, which means abundance, right? And that is what we wish for all women across India and across the globe. So hence
That's
Srinari.
so thoughtful of you, actually. But usually people, associate Shri with, men like Mr. or
Yes.
son or something like that when they write. So immediately that's the meaning that strikes. So I was
Yes.
wondering, like, how did you come up with, that name,
So
Srinari?
hence,
So how
hence
does
that's why
one,
it's time to break the stereotypes, to change the thinking,
right,
that people are tuned to think. I think that is what we also
that's
want to
very
do.
thoughtful of you. All right. So how after you started an e-com platform, how did you build up that customer base? Because the e-com platform is a very very competitive market these days.
Yes.
With giant corporates in the field already. So how did you build up that customer base? How difficult or how easy was that? If you could tell us that journey.
So we have been, of course, doing a lot of, the traditional marketing in terms of social media, in terms of your, ads and a lot of things. But one thing that we realized is that the word of mouth is the biggest, marketing tool today. And thankfully, we women have the gift of the gab. We are amazing marketers ourselves, right? So and on the base level, what we also do is we, guide our women entrepreneurs, our sellers who are with us, on how they can service their existing customers, through them get new customers, and henceforth like that. So I will tell you this, because of this, we launched on August 15th last year. Okay, so it's been
Right.
about, say, 6 months, 7 months. And till now, we have had about 400 odd new customers who have come in. Okay, this, I'm not talking about the seller's existing customers, I'm talking about new customers, right? And word of mouth, then we do, we do a lot of corporate tie-ups, because we want, the actual customer to come in. We tie up with a lot of events, we do a lot of collaborations, and all of this, not only me and my team, but we also ensure that all our entrepreneurs are with us. So in fact, I'll give you one example. I connected with one group on Facebook called ATM. Okay. And they are a women's group. And they do a lot of these small contests and competitions, right? So we not only were giving them Srinari vouchers, but I also, asked our sellers if anyone wants to give any sample or anyone wants to give any products. So in fact, one of our sellers, the company is called Wash Safe, and she's been giving them products, and she's been getting amazing reviews from them. So that, you just increase your customer database through that, right? So there are a lot of things like that we're doing that, as of now, we've got no returns. So, because we ensure that the products, photograph of the products are not too photoshopped. So, there are a lot of things like that we do, that has helped us grow to this extent.
Right. So you said promote your brand by giving the vouchers and the gift vouchers and things like that. What do you think is an effective tool to market your business as such? Now, owing to the current situation, what do you think is an effective tool to actually market your business, which will actually boost the the Srinari to the next level?
So I think we are doing most of it, but I also think that, more than, like I said, the traditional marketing and all of that, it is these collaborations, okay, that help, your corporate tie-ups that help, because you get actual customers, and that will help you really. And this is also an advice that we give to, our sellers or anyone who's listening to us today also, is that, don't stick to one marketing plan or one marketing avenue, right? Don't just stick, like, for example, even you, right? You are on Facebook, you're on Instagram, you're on YouTube. So you do multiple things, right? And you also do collaborations, right? So that helps increase your viewers, that helps increase your subscribers the same
You
way,
get the
right?
exposure.
Yes. And what we also do, like, we did something a few months back where we did an influencer campaign, right? So we said whichever influencer comes in, they go to our website, share any 3 products that you like, get a, an X number of likes on those products, and we give them cash. So we ensure that, in some way, whether it's a customer, whether it's a seller, or whoever is connected with us, kind of gets a monetary benefit also. Right. And I think one of the main thing, which is the, USP of Srinari, is the offers and discounts that we give from our side. So these offers and discounts, whoever has made the best use of them have really benefited through them.
All right, Gauri Joshi has a question. I have a genuine query. If I have my own FB group of women entrepreneurs, in what way would I benefit by tying up with Srinari as your channel partner? Would you like to answer that?
Right. Hi, Gauri. So Gauri has been, we are in talk in, terms of getting, she's coming on board, hopefully, as our channel partner. So yes, there are a lot of benefits as coming on board as a channel partner. So channel partners are women who not necessarily have products, but they have a great database of women and are present on social media. Like Gauri also has a page, on Facebook, which is very popular. And so what they do is they not only help market Srinari, they help market the individual sellers, but they also help us get registrations, and all of them get monetary benefits. So I think there are a lot of channel partners. Right now, we have about 10 to 12 channel partners in different states across India, and they've got amazing benefits. And we call our channel partners our pillars. And see, one of our channel partners, for example, in Kolkata, her name is Rupashri. She is doing apartment promotions. Okay, she is also an event manager. She's doing apartment promotions. So over there, she's promoting, one of our sellers' products. So there are a lot of avenues of, growing, lot of possibilities of growing together.
So Gauri, you heard it from Archita herself. So that's the answer that she's given you. Any other query, you could post it here. All right. So talking about Srinari right now, Archita, if you could tell me why only women entrepreneurs? Because this pandemic has affected the men entrepreneurs also the same way.
Yeah.
There are a lot of people actually, in fact, especially entrepreneurs who have taken to mental illness or become suicidal and things like that. We keep hearing things like that. So why only women? Why not include men? So what is the thing? See, I'm not a feminist, so I'd want to ask you as to why only women and not men included in this.
So I am a very healthy feminist, and I am very biased to my gender. Okay, like I said, I've constantly been working with women, and this has been an eye opener for a lot of women who were also not doing anything in terms of a source of income, right? Being financially independent is so important, not only because you've got the money, but it helps you with choices that you can make in life. I'm not to go too deep into it, but during this pandemic, there were so many cases of domestic violence that came up, right? And women couldn't leave the homes simply because probably one of the reasons could be that they were not financially independent enough to have that choice, right, to leave the situation that they are in when there is an emergency. Like the pandemic itself was an emergency, right? And for how long will just one income last you, right? So if there are two incomes in one family, that helps big time, right? So you feel a bit more confident. Like I have had women all my life come and tell me that there was some emergency at home, and I didn't know what to do because I couldn't contribute in any way. But they are contributing in their way. The woman of the house contributes like much more than you can even imagine. She's the support system, right, that we all live by, right? But when it comes to this one small moment where money matters a little more, she tends to feel low because she was not able to contribute. So I really feel that it is very important for women to be financially independent. And if in any way, right, we from Srinari or me personally, we can guide them and help them to do that, that would be a dream come true. Of course, Srinari is there. You can come sell your products, you can advertise your services, all of that is there. But there are different ways that we can help you. And why these channel partners also, Shireen, is because today somebody in Kerala, okay, is connecting with my channel partner in Kolkata or with one of my sellers in Delhi, and they are helping each other grow their business. They're helping each other personally. There are so many things that can happen, right, when you build this powerful community. So we can all help each other. And that is where you also break, this stigma that people say that women are women's, worst enemy, women do this to women. So that's when we also get to prove that, none of us are threatened by each other.
That is in a way true, Archita. That is actually in a way true.
Yes.
Women are women's worst enemy. I've experienced that, so that is in a
Yes,
way
I'm so
true. So
sorry
I would
for
never
that,
say
I'm
no.
sorry that you've had that experience. Yes, see,
Yeah.
there are people who come from different thoughts, but I am telling you, I mean, when you're connected with so many people, no, you have like so many inspiring,
Yes.
incidents. Like I'll tell you, for
Yes.
example, we are having a sale right now on our website called Do Din Dhamaka, okay, which is the women entrepreneurs get 2 days to give like a discount on their products, and and the maximum discount that they can give, and we kind of market that and advertise that. We only advertise that one seller with that one product, right? And one of our sellers was not getting any sale for some time, and she was very dejected and things like that. And when we were talking to another of our seller, we kind of told that, yeah, because she was telling how nice her products are, and we were saying, oh, but she's having a tough time. You will not believe, in a matter of an hour, okay, the sale gets over at midnight, okay, until about 11 o'clock, 10:30, 11, she didn't get any sale for 2 days. In matter of an hour, this lady from Delhi, right, ensured that this lady from Kerala, who she's never met in her life, she's only seen her photographs or video through Srinari and heard about her through us, okay, ensured that 5 of her products are sold. And she was not the one to
Wonderful.
buy it. She ensured that some of her customers, some of her contacts buy that. So this
Great.
is the kind of a support system that we want to build. So that is what we want to break. And whoever has done anything to you, Shireen, and I'm so sorry for that experience that you have had, but
That's
it,
okay.
you should just like look over it and walk. You're much bigger than that.
It happens.
Yes, it does
We
happen
just
everywhere.
accept it and neglect it and just walk off. That's all.
Yes.
Because there are a
But
lot
it's
of
also good
other
to voice
people
it out.
also, like you said, there are a lot of other people out there who are, motivating enough and inspiring enough, like
Yes.
you, like we meet them and we get that positivity and we get charged up. So that is how life goes on. But
Yes,
that was actually a
absolutely.
very inspiring story behind Srinari. I've never heard, an entrepreneur or, a business person talk about, having a backstory like that, which is as inspiring as you've told me right now. That's actually a very
Imagine, I
inspiring.
was shocked myself. My entire team, we were all like, wow, because we didn't expect it. We were just closing the sale at, at 12, technically. And, when we saw that, it brought tears to our eyes saying, my God, so at least what we have envisioned has, to an extent come true.
That's actually nice. You should have felt actually much better after that. Should have
Yes,
felt very
absolutely.
happy, in fact.
Yes, yes,
All right.
absolutely.
Gauri says she will connect with you personally. So that's what
Yes,
she's
absolutely.
messaged here. Yeah. All right. So talking about Srinari, how easy it is to connect with you and get on board. So what is the formalities like? If somebody, a seller or an entrepreneur has to get connected to you, what is the process like and how feasible it is?
So, just basically, first of all, take a look at our website, take a look at our social media pages. Social media pages are all under Shreenari, SHREENAARI, and our website is shreenari.com. Go there, take a look at the website. There is a seller registration form. It doesn't mean that if you fill the form, you immediately have to, the registration is confirmed. There are a lot of formalities after that also. Whether you're a GST seller, non-GST seller, it'll ask you various questions. There are options for both. So just fill that form in, and from our team, somebody will get in touch with you. Mostly the CEO, his name is Sandeep Menon. He will be calling you. His number is there on the pages everywhere. And after that, we will guide you through the entire thing. We will guide you on how to upload your products, on how to use an e-commerce platform step by step. We will guide you through everything. And see, and one more thing that I always tell in all my lives is that if you connect with us, it is not a force that you have to join. connect with us, understand how important it is to take that next big step into an e-commerce world, not be stagnant where you are. How can you grow? So there are a lot of avenues, and we can just help you out. We will give you the right information. Not that, if you don't register, we will not help you with any information. We will do that absolutely. If anyone wants to connect with me, please connect with me. Send a message to the Facebook group or page, or the Instagram page, and share your number. And if you want me to call you, I will immediately call you.
That's so sweet of you. All right, the details of Srinari, the website link, everything will be given in the comment section for anybody who would want to register or want to check out the website. The link will be given in the comment section after the live is over, so you guys can have a look. Probably we have that tendency to not research and have ready-made answers. So it is for them that I will put up the link in the comment section. So once the live is over, you can go ahead and check out the website. It is very, very beneficial for the women entrepreneurs, for you to go on board to take your business to the next level through an e-com platform. All right. Talking about the e-com platform, Archita, you said both GST registered sellers and non-GST, sellers can actually come on board, which is actually a new thing, because usually the e-com platform asks for, the GST sellers. So, how is that you're accommodating, both the category like?
So we have a legal way that we have figured out. How to get non-GST sellers products on an e-commerce platform. So we will guide them through that. But there is no restriction. If you have a service, then of course GST or non-GST doesn't matter. A service person, that doesn't matter, because the payments also don't go through us. If you're a service provider, we will put your ad in the website, and that link will directly take the customer to your website or Facebook page or wherever you want that to come. We will also share it with a database that we have, our existing customer database, and a corporate database, and all of that, and heavily market your videos, your what service you do to all these databases. So in services, GST, non-GST doesn't matter. But if you have products and you do not have GST, please do call us, and we will guide you through the process.
All right. So you heard Archita saying that the reason why I put up this question is because I personally know a lot of women entrepreneurs who are not GST registered, but they are very hardworking, women entrepreneurs who want to actually make a mark, for themselves. So this question will actually help them to, to do what to do next, or how to take their business to the next level.
Yes.
So this was for them. So guys, you heard it. Even if you're not GST registered, you can still go ahead and have your own e-com, you can become an e-com seller through Srinari. And Gauri Joshi here says, after this FB live, kindly send the YouTube link to my WhatsApp so I can watch it again. Definitely, yes, definitely, Gauri. This will be in the YouTube channel of Ink That Matters. So you just have to click Ink That Matters in the YouTube channel. You will get the the current episode, that is this one. So you will get it in probably an hour's time after the live. You can go ahead and watch it in the YouTube channel. Not to worry. Okay. So moving on, Archita, what does success mean to you? After the Srinari, you have launched so many women entrepreneurs, and so many people have actually launched their own business through Srinari probably. What does actually success mean to you?
I think, wow, that's a very interesting question. So success, I think, first thing for me, success means patience. Okay. Have patience, and you are successful from the day you've decided to become a leader, from the day you've decided to become an entrepreneur. You are successful. And as women, we are born with this. We are born with leadership. We are born multitaskers, right? We are born with marketing skills. We are born with business skills. We manage the house, we manage the house finance, we manage the people in the house. It's equivalent to a, CEO or a GM role that, every woman plays in the house, right? So we are born with that. It's just about how you, nurture that talent, that skill that you are born with. So for me, success is be yourself, be patient, and, you will reach your goal. And do not be threatened by anything that comes your way. Never be threatened by anything or anyone that comes your way. And if your definition of success is reaching a certain point, if you have patience, and you follow, whatever you want to do and not be threatened, you will reach that. For me, success is simple. I love to connect with people, the maximum women I can reach, and in any way I can change their lives. For me, that is success. And the day I started working with women, I've been working with NGOs or for women's causes from the time I was in my school. And from that day, I consider myself successful in whatever I'm doing.
That's actually a very wonderful thought. So probably that is why we connected. Because we think on the similar lines.
Yes,
all right.
absolutely.
Gauri Joshi says the non-GST vendors have to pay some extra amount. Is it not a loss to them? How would you justify that? So non-GST vendor gets a feel-good factor.
So,
Do you like to answer that?
Yeah, I will answer that in detail offline, Gauri. But I would also want to say that when you're a non-GST seller, we are aiding you in a legal way to get on an e-commerce platform, right? And anything that is not under our control and which is a government rule, anything doesn't, those kind of things don't come for free. There is always see people who have GST also, they are filing their GST, they're paying their CAs. There's a lot of extra cost that is involved, and compared to that, what you get from here legally is very less. So the details of it I will get tell you offline, Gauri, but this is what I have to say.
Right. So, okay, she says thank you. So, you also guide the entrepreneurs in getting a GST registered or something
We can guide
when
them,
they register
absolutely.
with Srinari?
Absolutely. We will not do the process for them, but we will guide them on the easier
But
ways
you
to
will
do it.
guide them.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we help a lot of women even file their help, as in we tell them like how they should file their GST and a lot of things like that. So, like I said, anything we help them with. There are women we help in even personal matters, but it all comes with the package.
Right. It does. All right, Gauri, thanks you for that answer.
Thanks, Gauri.
Okay, so Archana, tell me, is there any one success formula to become an entrepreneur, to establish themselves, and to keep it going without any bottlenecks? Is there any success formula that you follow, or you tell your your colleague or the other entrepreneurs who are under Srinari? Is there any kind of a success formula that you follow, or is there any, first of all?
So yeah, so I was just going to say that I wouldn't call it a formula, but there is something that I tell everyone that I meet, is that as women, there are a lot of times that we are cornered or stifled to be a certain way that the world or the society wants us to be. Right. And the only thing that I want to tell all women out there is that be real, be you, be bold, and you will see everything will fall in place. Please do not fall into this definition of what is perfect. Okay, first of all, there is nothing perfect, right? What the
Yes.
society tells you is 100% not the definition of perfect. So don't fall for that. Speak out, just be bold and be you. I think that is the most important, and you will see how successful you will become because of that.
Right. There's one more question from Gauri actually. She says, from this April 2021, GST has been made compulsory for all MSME also. Please confirm if you are aware of this.
Right, we checked that. I am aware of that, but those details I think the CEO of the company is better off to answer with. So Gauri knows him. So Gauri, I would request you to connect with Sandeep, and he will answer this question or guide you through it.
Right. So you could catch up with Archita offline and have your questions cleared, which are very technical. Probably that will
Yes.
be handled offline. Yeah. So any other questions regarding Srinari as such, you could post your questions here. So what's your favorite aspect of being an entrepreneur, Archita? If you could, tell one thing, if you could name one thing, what is your favorite aspect of being an
I think
entrepreneur?
the most favorite aspect, which is like connecting with people like you. Right, I get to meet so many new women and men also, but for me 99% it's women that I connect with also. And it's great to learn so many different things because every day it's a learning. Right, so from the time we met, I've been following your work, I've been seeing your interviews, so there's so many things that even I learn from from your guests, or from how what you talk. There's so many things that happening, so I think that
Archita,
is.
just one moment. Are you able
Yeah.
to see me?
Yes, but I think
There
you are
seems
stuck.
to be a disturbance.
Yeah, I think you are stuck.
Your screen is actually frozen.
Oh, okay, for me your screen is frozen.
Archita, are you able to hear me?
I am. Can you hear me? Now I think I can see you. Is it better?
There seems to be some. Yeah, earlier actually the screen was frozen. We were
Yes.
actually not able to hear you or see you move.
Okay. So I could, for me, your
So the-
screen was frozen, but yeah, but I think we are fine now.
okay. Okay. No, you were saying something. Actually, we were not able to hear that.
Right. So, no, I was saying that the best part of this is that I get to meet different people, right? And I get to learn different things from different women, their lives, their journeys. Everyone has a unique journey, and that is what inspires me, and I love that. And I will do that, throughout my life. Is that meet people, encourage women, cheer for every woman around. Whoever connects with me or whoever doesn't connect with me, I just, wish the best for them. And I think that's the best part of the work that I do.
That's wonderful. That's wonderful. And what is one piece of advice that you would give the upcoming entrepreneurs or the entrepreneurs who are already on board with you? What is that one piece of advice other than being yourself, which you have just told me? What is that one piece of advice that they would have to carry? Any upcoming entrepreneur, for that matter.
But first thing that I want to tell them is when you're an entrepreneur, believe in your product, your service, believe in your business. That is the first thing. Believe that your business is a brand. Okay, so today when we use the word brand, we think of all the big brands, that have been advertised, with so
All the
much
corporate.
money, and all the corporates and all of that. But everything that we all build is a brand, right? First thing is believe that brand and go to every extent to build that brand, right? And there are many avenues, there are many ways where you do not have to spend a lot of money or any money at all, right, to help build your brand. So keep that in mind. Act smart, right? You do not have to spend money every time on a social media or anywhere. There are so many ways you can do. Collaborate, be open to ideas, have an open mind. And and like I said, women are born with these skills. So just sit back, work on those skills, nurture them, make this your passion, and don't give up. There are ups and downs. First thing is, when you're an entrepreneur, be prepared for amazing ups and downs that you'll have in your life. Okay, so
Yes.
be prepared for
Yes.
that. But don't get disheartened, don't give up, find avenues. If you think one product is not working, not necessary you have to change that product completely, right? But build on it, see how you can get add-ons to that product, right? Or find another thing that complements your product. So do things like that, and and be persistent, and please have patience. Patience is virtue, literally, because when it comes to
Yes.
business, that is what will keep you going.
Actually, a lot of people who start their business, and after 6 months down the line, also they wouldn't be able to crack that thing. So they will have to have that patience so that they can sustain
Absolutely.
long enough. So
Yes,
that's true.
patience is something that
All
will
that
keep
I've
you going.
experienced myself, so I know it better as
Yes.
to what patience is all about when
Which,
it comes to business.
for example, Srinari is a company that is, run by, what we have. Okay. And to run any business, yes, you need funds. And, we are we once we plan to expand, even if we don't get external funding or anything like that, but this will go on, and the business will go
Right.
on, we will keep growing, and we will find different avenues on how to keep the business going. That is the goal, right? And once, of course, once you have a lot of money and a lot of funds, then so everything works. Then you have money for a lot of different kind of marketing tactics, all your products are sold, everything is happening. But the challenge is in the growth stage, right? So don't give up in your growth stage. Have patience and things will fall.
All right. Talking about Srinari Archita, how is the brand actually being, taken to the end seller? How is it being marketed? Probably the website or the brand as such. How is it taken to the end seller? Not just the women entrepreneurs who sell on board, but how is it taken to the end sellers? Is it through the gift vouchers, or do you do anything else also apart from having the gift vouchers in place?
No, we have other forms of marketing, like, social media marketing. We have newspaper inserts. The traditional marketings are also there. But to reach and expand the customer database a little faster, we've realized that, these kind of approaches help that. So
Right.
we are doing a
Right.
lot of tie-ups. We are, reaching to a lot of groups, and which is
Right.
helping.
Right. So you heard it from the co-founder of Srinari as to what Srinari is. It is a e-com platform for women entrepreneurs. So if you are a GST seller or a non-GST seller, it doesn't matter. You can go on board and start making your sales. They help you every step by step as to you're making a sale, you're not making a sale, what is happening. They know you. Uh, they have that personal connect with each and every seller who comes on board in Srinari. That is actually the USP, if you would ask me, from what Archita has told me, because none of the other e-com platform knows you by your name or what you do. So this is actually the e-com platform where each and every seller is recognized by their name and the kind of business that they do. That I think definitely is the USP, and which you should make use of it. All the women entrepreneurs who are actually watching the show today, or who will be watching in the YouTube channel of Wing That Matters, definitely should make use of this opportunity. And that is the only reason why Archita has been invited today as the guest on the show, so that lot of people, lot of women will be benefited through this service that she is offering. So anything else that you would like to add on, Archita?
Well, like you said, yes, we have this platform where, we want every woman across India, become financially independent and become an entrepreneur. But we are also opening up to the global market. I want the sellers, whoever's interested to also know this, that when we open up to the global market, we will look at B2B, where, we will, help you sell your products in bulk, also with the help of women entrepreneurs across the globe whom we've already tied up with. We have not as yet opened that because of the pandemic situation and the constant change in the government rules, and the courier, a lot of things are happening, export, import. But once we do that, please remember that your brand will not only be known in India, but it will also be known across the globe. And we will help you in every step of the way to build your brand, and we will build it together. And as a part of the Srinari family, I want every woman entrepreneur who is with us, they already know it, but who even wish to be a part of it, is that over here, we are all partners. Right today, on because the Women's Day is coming up, there are so many things happening. There are so many events that Srinari is a part of. Say one is in Bangalore, one is in Delhi, and so many things. The Delhi one is also done by one of our partners. Her name is Prerna. She runs a group called the Rising Women, and they're having this Inspiring Women Awards. And so we are a part of that also. So we will not be able to be two places at the same time. So in Bangalore, one of our sellers who's also a channel partner, she is going to be representing Srinari and going there. So they are women entrepreneurs. They give articles in newspapers, they give interviews on our behalf. So it's not necessary that everywhere I have to be, or my partner has to be, or my CEO has to be, right? We are all Srinari, right? We all represent Srinari. So that freedom you have as a family once you are a part of Srinari.
Right. That's actually a wonderful thought that you have actually shared. The brand doesn't represent just one person. So there are a lot of people who actually make that brand work and make that brand successful. So Srinari is one such example as to what the brand is all about, and how you can actually build that brand together, and how you all can grow together. So Srinari is one such example. The link for Srinari and the registration details, if you can also put up, Archita, in the comment section once the live session is over, that will be much helpful for the audiences to have a look. So all right, so this actually Srinari is not just an e-com platform where you get your financial freedom, where you get become an entrepreneur, or if you're already an entrepreneur, you come here, earn money and go. This actually empowers you. Srinari is one such platform where they empower women, if I can call that. It is not just you come here as any other e-com platform, you make a sale, you take the money. It is not just that. It is not just that deal. Here they empower you, at every step, as Archita has been saying in all her answers, that she helps you in every step that you take when you join Srinari. So that is the real empowerment is all about. So that's what I feel. If you could say something
absolutely
about that.
Absolutely, Shireen. I mean, you just worded it perfectly, and like I said, women cheer women, and we are always here, as your cheerleaders, as your mentors. In fact, one of our sellers says that this is a school, where she learns so many things. Right. So, call it anything, whether you call it a school, call it, an e-commerce platform, call it a community, but we are here to be in it together. And there are so many plans in future that we are coming up with. We are going to have conclaves. We are going to have awards. There are so many things waiting for women who are a part of Srinari. And, I'm looking forward to that. And every day we are growing. A lot of sellers are coming on board every day, and we are very, very excited about it. And I hope the family gets bigger. And, and I wish for all of you who is listening, whether you're a seller, whether you're a potential customer, I want you to make a promise to help at least 20 women from your side get on an e-commerce platform or expand their business in any way, and we are always there to help them achieve that.
Right, right. That's actually a very inspiring answer that you had actually given right now. My next question was actually that as to what is the vision of Srinari in the near future, for which you had answered just now without me asking. Anyways, so other than empowering women, what other things that you do in your free time, if
Oh,
at
me,
all you have any?
right. I love painting. I paint bottles. I make some colorful bottles and I paint. I don't sell them, but it's just a hobby. I love singing. I love cooking. And you let me cook 24/7. I will just keep cooking something or the other. I love cooking, and yeah, I think that's about it. And I love connecting with people. So I'm in fact, a lot of times,
Yeah, that
my
I
family
know. You
tells
have
me,
told me that
my family tells me,
that you
you're
love
always on
connecting.
Facebook. You're always on Facebook or you're always on Instagram, and I'm looking up women, and because it's just brilliant. It's lovely to meet new people. So yeah, so those are some things that I do, and I'm glad that in my journey, my husband is a very strong part of that, and he and we both have a lot of similar thinking, when it comes to business, and so it's been a great journey, and I'm really enjoying it.
That's so nice to hear. Actually, you have your husband to support you in each and every step, and probably he helps you in following your passion. That's actually a very good thing. That's how it has to be. And one thing I noticed, you said you love painting, you love cooking, you also love singing, right?
Yes.
So why don't we hear two or three lines of your
Are you
favorite
serious?
songs?
Hello, I don't sing like
I'm
you.
very
Okay, I heard
serious.
you singing.
I'm
I
very
heard you
serious.
singing. No, no, no. Maybe what I'll do is after this, I will record one and I'll send it to you and you can upload that. But Shireen, I've heard
Ah,
you sing,
just
so
two
don't do this.
lines, just two lines. Any of your favorite songs, just two lines if you can hum for the audiences.
Are you okay?
Any language, language doesn't matter.
Okay, I'll sing. Okay, I think I'll sing in Hindi.
Yeah.
Okay. अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम, अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम.
Wow,
That's it.
that's good
So nice.
singing, yeah. That's my favorite song actually. That's a
Oh,
very
that's
good
mine too.
singing. I don't know why you didn't want to sing. That's very
I think
good
this is the
singing.
first time I'm publicly singing, Shireen. So you are successful in making me do something that I wouldn't have ever done.
I love to hear people sing. If they really can sing, I love to. That is why I got very excited when you said singing was one of your hobbies. So I had it in my mind that you have to sing now, come what may. So Gauri Joshi says, thank you, ladies. That was a good interactive. Thank you so much, Gauri.
Thank
We
you,
are so
Gauri.
happy that you enjoyed the session. And we are happy that we think that the others also who are seeing right now or who will be seeing will definitely enjoy the session and also will benefit out of the session, out of Sri Nari as such. Let me remind you again, the details of Sri Nari will be put up in the comment section of, the after once the interaction is over, it will be there in the comment section. So anybody who would want to visit, take a look or register, do it right away. You will benefit a lot because it's time to take your business to the next level. And definitely Archita is the person for you to contact. if you have a business, if you are an entrepreneur, Archita is the person for you to take your business to the next level. Thank you so much, Archita, for having come, for having spent your time with us, and also for having sung for us. So thank you so much for having given us all these details and being such a lovely guest today, and that was actually a very interactive session, as Gauri said.
Thank you so much, Shireen, and I'm so glad we did this. I'm so glad we connected, and everything happens for a reason. Like I told you the first time we spoke, that I very strongly believe that we are connected for a reason, and we will create different possibilities. We will create possibilities of growth together, and in any way that I can also support you, we will do it together. Thank you so much for this.
Definitely,
I really enjoyed it. And you made me sing. I'm going to remember this all my life. But, but thank you for that.
See, seriously, there's no hidden agenda behind that. I just love to hear people sing, and you sing really very well. So there's nothing, there's nothing. And that was my favorite song, so it was nice. So probably we could have sung a little longer also. I would have sat and I would have heard you. So, but that was actually a very good singing, definitely. And people will definitely hear that because this is going to be there.
Thank you. And I hope we meet soon.
Says, hi, Archita.
Hi, Bhuvna. So Bhuvna is somebody I connected with very recently, and I'm glad she's here. Bhuvna, I want you to also listen to the recording of this so that, you know that whatever we've spoken is also here and much, much more. So I'm so glad you joined. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ladies, and whoever has been watching the show today. And this episode will be there for you to see it for later reference also. And thank you so much, Archita, for having joined us.
Thank you, Shireen. Thank you. Wish you all the best in everything that you do. Thank you so much for this, and we'll catch up soon.
And my best wishes to Sreenari also, to all the entrepreneurs who are on board, the channel partners, and also to the co-founder of Sreenari. And definitely we will be in touch.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.